Updated preventive protocol. My team and I have been in the thick of action for the past year and a half, pursuing many projects on COVID, and are happy to share that we have successfully treated more than 1,600 COVID patients and suspects, some with homeopathy alone and some with a combination of both homeopathy and allopathy. We are continuing our efforts and ensuing clinical trials with AIIMS. Our country is now exploding with the virus, and the mainstream medical system is facing issues with shortage of beds, medicine, medical staff, oxygen, vaccines, etc. There is mass hysteria and a lot of fear all over the country. Immunity drops. The feedback on the immunity drops have been excellent. It is not only protecting against COVID, but most people on immunity drops have not even been getting the usual cold and cough that they get with every change of season. Merging the preventive and immunity drops. Our think tank has been researching on the preventive and immunity aspects, and we have updated our protocol with new medicines and dosage to aggressively counter the virus explosion and also to be prepared for the upcoming third wave. We have decided to merge both the preventive and immunity drops as one. A lot of thought has gone into the making of the new protocol. We have taken into consideration the behavior of different strains of the virus, the symptoms, the high virulence, and the aggressive spread of the new virus, etc. The new combinations being used has been researched in detail, and the intention of giving it is to boost your immunity levels and keep it at the highest. The new immunity protocol. The following are the advantages that is expected out of the new protocol. Number 1. With your immunity levels at the optimum, your chances of getting the virus is very less. Number 2. Even if you get the virus, you may have no symptoms and you may not even know that you got COVID. Number 3. You may get COVID with very mild symptoms. This will prevent it from going to moderate or severe stage, and you will recover with simple medication within a week to 10 days. Number 4. We have also taken into consideration that when you start the preventive, if you are all COVID positive without your knowledge, these medicines will help you recover from the initial stage of the COVID infection. Dosage of the new immunity drops. 1 to 2 drops directly on the tongue, or mix 1 to 2 drops in a teaspoon of water and consume once a day at any time. These medicines are absolutely safe and can be taken by anyone of any age, including infants, pregnant women, and lactating mothers. It can be used along with your regular allopathic medicines with a gap of half an hour. It can be taken with a gap of 15 minutes before or after food. I would strongly recommend that this immunity drop should be given to those below 18 years and kids of all ages too. Curative drops. We are happy to inform you that we are having major breakthrough in the curative aspect, and hence the curative protocol remains the same. I have been constantly updating videos on YouTube to keep you informed on the latest updates on COVID and how to deal with various aspects of COVID. There are important videos uploaded like most sensible way to treat COVID and what to do when you have symptoms of COVID. If you have not subscribed to it, please go ahead and subscribe, as I believe it has information that can be very useful. Please continue to trust me and my team as you have done all these years, and we will continue to take care of you and your family. Take care.